To reply to a comment in a video on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reply to any comment on a video on TikTok. So first thing you have to do is go to TikTok, and this is the profile. Now go here to add a video, and after that now go to the option here of the reply. Click on it and you will be able to reply for any comment on your video. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.